model kit review is of the BMW Z3 Roadster. It's a 1/24 scale model by Tamiya, and here's some drawings of it, and here it is in a different color, and another color that's with the hard top or open. So let's have a look inside. First we'll look at our car body. Which is fairly well molded. We do have some mold lines here. They'll need to get sanded out, but that's fairly easy to take care of. Otherwise, good level of detail. And we have our wheels, tires, and those are nicely molded. This sprue here, looks like we've already lost one piece here. Here's our dashboard with pedal box. We have our little stickers here for the mirrors. We've got our seats, insides of the door panel, spare tire. We've got parts of our suspension here. We also have our steering wheel and steering column. We've got our differential with the axle. This is the part for the hood, or the roof where it's when it's stored for the convertible. We've got our steering rack, suspension parts. Here we've got our brakes and our cockpit tub. Here's our glass, windshield inside, our headlights, and this is the hard top if you want to do that. Here we have our wheels, nicely molded, well painted. We've got the front grille and headlights. Here we have our chassis with the engine and transmission molded in. We've got our exhaust parts and side mirrors, windshield wipers, and sway bar. So look at our instructions here. So we've got colors needed. We start off with the rear axle and suspension parts. That then goes on. We've got the exhaust and muffler. And then the front suspension, steering rack, wheels going on, including the spare. We start to build our cockpit. That's attached to our chassis. Next we put our headlights and glass parts together. And we start to build up the body. Headlights go on, glass goes on, and we put the body on the chassis and remaining front body parts and rear body parts going on. And there's the painting and decal guide. So all in all, reasonable level of detail, good molding quality, typical Tamiya model.